What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how I got free resources in my favorite game. You can see that I don't have much resources right now, but that will change in minutes. First, you have to type this link into your mobile browser, like I am doing at the moment. It's going to take us to this page. Here, you have to type your username for the game. If you're not sure what your username is, just type your Gmail or iCloud mail address. Now, you have to choose the platform that you're playing on. I'm going to select Android since I'm playing on Android. Now that my account is connected, I have to choose the amount of resources that I want and tap on Generate. Well, it seems like I have to verify that I'm human, that I'm not here to abuse the tool. This is actually easy. The whole process will take just 3 to 5 minutes. And the best thing is that it's absolutely free. So let's do it. To verify, we have to download 2 apps from here and follow the instructions in the app description. Apps available for you might be different based on your location. Okay, first, let's choose Lord's Mobile. The description says that we just have to download and run it for 30 seconds. Let's download it. Open the game. Let's play it for a minute or two. First one done. Now let's get to the second app. Its description says that we have to install the Hotspot Shield app and click Connect after running it. Sounds easy. Let's do it. Open the app. Give it the needed access and tap on Connect. Verification should be done now. Let's open our game and check if it worked. As you can see, that it really worked. The amount of resources that I selected are being added to my game. Awesome! Alright, let's wrap this up, folks. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to support my work. Let me know if you have requests for any other game. I will do my best to make it happen for you. For now, enjoy your free resources.